Hey guys, welcome to TyTan Ventures. On this new episode, Tanner and I go looking for an amazing treasure.
We're gonna tally up what we find and treasures on the bottom, and we're gonna see who finds the most valuables.
Okay, well, off to a hot start. I found this beach ball just off the beach, blown out in the middle of the lake there. So, one beach ball for me on the hot start. I'm trying to catch up.
Oh, you got goggles.
Goggles and a golf ball. My name's Tyler, my brother's name's Tanner.
Thanks.
Just careful because it's kind of slingshotty right now. Just rake it. Shane? Nice to meet you, buddy. Does that work for you?
Yeah.
This is right above your head. I know, but I see an iPhone.
Oh.
Or whatever this is.
That is an iPhone.
Is it?
Yeah. Like freaking back in the day.
Look at that.
Before.
I win now. That's 200 bucks.
Hey, not quite.
Yeah, that's a nice hook.
This is yours then, or you seen it?
I did see it, but
Here, you take it. It's yours.
You ready to go or what?
Yep.
Call her, dude.
Yep. All right, here's all my hooks. I got them all spread out on the boat here for you guys. Just a few spoons, some shiny ones. Nice Rapala.
That's a beauty, hey?
Yeah, not a
Oh,
bad,
rattler.
not a bad one here.
If you guys know the name of that wrap that Tanner found there, post it in the comments. Let us know what kind of wrap that is. So who's the fish hook whiz?
Let's turn her around.
All right, so right when we started off, we went by the beach. This ball was blown way out in the middle and I swung by, picked it up. A few bottles here, old vintage Pepsi bottle. That should fetch me a fine mint for that one. And then a shotgun twisted tea. Must have been our buddy. I got this nice gold and silver one here.
Holy, that's a beauty, that
Hey?
one, hey?
Isn't that pretty? This is my favorite one I found today. Nice crank. Again, guys, let us know what the names of these babies are. I want to see how smart you guys are.
Well, that's a neat
There's
one,
another
hey?
crank, hey? It's got a weight on the nose. It's a
Yeah.
diver. Smack it off the bottom, hey? Here's a weedless one. Johnson Silver Minnow. An old iPhone. I was hoping it was new. I just seen the back of it, so
Yeah.
it's pretty cool. And then just a bunch of rubber tails. This one Tanner kind of helped me find. I seen it hanging there, and then just some other trash here. It's all tangled up here. So, and a pair of goggles. And I gave a pair of goggles to that young boy on the pier there. So hopefully he enjoys those.
Not a bad day. I think he got me.
Hey guys, thanks for watching another venture, and make sure you like, subscribe, and give us a follow on Facebook. And until next time, we'll see you on our next venture.